Okay, let's try something different.
At kung makikita nyo guys, may slam dunk roster po siya, run the street. PBA 2K24, Paris Olympics guys, meron din, di ba? Yan, NBA 2K25 Summer League, NBA 2K25 version 6 Facility Court, NBA 2K25 version 6 Default Jersey. Kompleto po yan guys, NBA 2K25 version 6 2K Court, NBA 2K24 Final Roster, NBA 2K24 All-Star, NBA 2K25 version 6 Bubble Court. Okay, so halos lahat yan guys malaro nyo. Tapos meron din 2K21, 2K19, 2K18, 2K16. Okay, sobrang angas nito guys. Ito pa guys, so MC Lakers. Okay, kompleto yan guys, diba? Napakadami guys, may FIBA po, tas Euroleague. Okay, so try natin guys sa NBA 2K25 na pinaka latest na roster. Okay, so dito na tayo sa NBA 2K25 version 6 Summer League. Okay, let's click po natin yung back po natin yung play now. Quick game tayo. Quick game. Yan o. Mapapansin nyo guys, diba? Ayun na yung ibang mga nandito na mga updated na roster na yan. Okay, Chicago Bulls, Celtics, so diba? Okay, so Celtics tayo guys. Pili natin ang Celtics. Mali. Hornets. Yan. Boston Celtics tayo guys. Dito tayo sa may Boston Celtics. Okay, so click natin yung play. Na po guys, sa Boston Celtics versus Toronto Raptors. Okay, napakaangas ito guys. Si Jaylen Brown, no? Okay, sa Raptors siya. Okay, so na natin to guys. Simulan na natin ang laban. Napakaangas ng graphics na ito guys. At HD po siya. Stealan natin yan guys. Oops. Bam. Grabe naman yun sir. Napaka-solid naman. Bago pa lang kayo dyan sa ating Facebook page guys, click nyo lang po yung follow. Kung nasa YouTube naman po kayo guys, click nyo naman po yung subscribe. Okay, so napakaganda ng graphics na ito guys. Sobrang solid nito guys. Uy, bam. Uy, pasa yan boss. Dito tayo. Oops. You know. Uy, ano yun? Ano nangyari doon? Oops. Nangyari sa kanya, boss. Bago pa lang kayo sa ating Facebook page or sa YouTube channel, click nyo po yung subscribe guys. Okay. Kung nasa YouTube kayo guys, nandiyan po yung link sa may pin comment section. Nandiyan po yung link and tutorial. Okay. Paul na naman. Lagi tayo napapol dyan ha. Si Tatum nandito pa rin sa Celtics. Oops. Wait a minute. Can you leave it 10 times here? Oops.
Pocket 6.
Bam! Bag. Uy, nice one pass.
I'll tell you what, the mid-range shot is not the easiest one to make. But when you got
uy, nice one.
those are shots you want to make. It is so hard to contain.
Naman yan, sir.
However he has to do it.
And so here's Toronto. It's a 3-point game. Oh, charged.
Angas.
The first free throw is good.
Napakasarap laruin na ito guys, sobra.
That one falls.
Lock rebound, di tayo ano. Okay, medyo lamang naman tayong isa. Pasa
And here in the
ating kay
first, closing in
Holiday.
on 2 minutes play.
Oops. Uy, no.
Holiday
Nice
gets the
one.
bucket.
I'll tell you what, the defenders didn't
Galing
get
talaga
a
ng
sniff of him
Celtics,
on that
guys.
move to the hoop.
And it's the Raptors ball.
Wait a minute. Didi, I'll leave it. 10 times. Hey! Rebound pa nga siya doon, boss. No?
Wow,
Nice
here's
one.
Brown. For 3.
No?
And
Bam! Lamang na
Great
tayo, guys.
opportunity right there. He's got such tremendous
Forcing
length. He can
this,
just
no?
rise up and get
Forcing this,
separation
yeah.
for the three.
Holiday.
And the call will be
Uy,
against
foul.
Wilson. That'll be his
Tama,
second
foul.
foul of the game.
Well, he got to watch himself now. I mean, that's 2 fouls already, and he can't afford another one.
Grabe naman yan, sir.
Here in the
Oops!
first, just under
Box
2.5
out.
minutes played so far.
Box out. Box out.
And he
Uy,
gets the bucket.
sumabay pa tayo.
Going up strong. I mean, he doesn't care how much height he's giving up. It's attitude
Oops.
with him.
Rawr!
No good.
Ulit guys, kung bago pa lang kayo dito sa ating Facebook page, no? So, click nyo lang po guys yung ano dyan. Follow kung nasa YouTube na po, click nyo subscribe.
And Boston with the
Bam!
rebound.
No?
And it's out of bounds. The Raptors
Out
have
of
taken the
bounds
other
pa nga,
one.
sayang.
Making a long pass like that. is
Bawi,
always
bawi,
a
bawi.
risky proposition.
The Celtics making a switch
Okay,
here.
medyo nagkapalitan lang tayo ng ano dito guys. Say you leave it. If I leave it 10 times air. Whoop whoop.
Toronto trailing.
Napakaangas na ito guys.
Wide open.
Uy, walang bantay. Atin ang rebound niyan, boss.
High post shot. Will not go. This is
Grabe
off the
naman
front
yun, sir.
line.
Whoop!
For 3.
Uy, ano yan?
And first
Nice
quarter,
one.
about 3.5 minutes in.
Uy, hindi yan pwede, boy.
Got this game tied.
Pass natin yan, pass.
From beyond the
You know? Hey! Napakaangas. Yun guys, so hanggang dito na lang po guys yung video natin at tutorial about it sa NBA Toy 25 na may ankle breaker, no? So, kung bago pa lang kayo guys sa ating Facebook page, click nyo po yung follow. Kung nasa YouTube naman po kayo, click nyo po yung subscribe guys, no? So,
Holiday left side.
God bless po sa ating lahat at ingat po
And
kayo.
again, Boston with the
Grabe,
triple.
3-pointer. Nice one.
Okay, let's try something different.